Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
No,
Excuse me, are you American?
no,
Do you speak English?
a little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student too.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jessica. What's yours?
John.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 5:10.
What did you say?
I said it's 5:10.
Thanks. Hi, Michael.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry, I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there,
Where? I don't see it.
across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Fine. How are you doing?
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kind of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't. But I like pizza. David, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay. I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass or a big one?
Small, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay, when?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10.
Okay. How about 1:30?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5?
That's fine.
Okay. See you then.
All right. Bye.
Jennifer, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay, what time?
Is 9 alright?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on 5th Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place. Hi, Mark.
Hi,
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes, when?
Is 11:30 okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said 11:30.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay. How about 12:30?
Okay, where?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Oh, where is that?
It's on 7th Street.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the French Garden Restaurant. How many?
One.
Right this way. Please have a seat. Your waitress will be with you in a moment.
Hello, sir. Would you like to order now?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
What do you have?
We have bottled water, juice, and Coke.
I'll have a bottle of water, please.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have a tuna fish sandwich and a bowl of vegetable soup.
Chris, where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yes. Let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive. What are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping.
What time are you leaving?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store?
Okay.
Do you have enough money?
I'm not sure.
How much do you have?
$25. Do you think that's enough?
That's not very much.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Let me give you another $10.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye.
Hello, Richard.
Hi, Karen.
How have you been?
Not too good.
Why?
I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's not serious.
That's good. How's your wife?
She's good.
Is she in America now?
No, she's not here yet.
Where is she?
She's in Canada with our kids.
I see. I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
I hope you feel better.
Thanks.
Robert, this is my friend, Mrs. Smith.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mrs. Smith, what do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Oh, where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English
Where?
at a high school in New Jersey.
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 32. Excuse me.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Yes, can I see that t-shirt on the top shelf, please?
Sure. Here it is.
How much does it cost?
$50.
$50. That's too much.
How about this one? It's on sale for only $35.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
$30.
That'll be fine.
Is this color okay, or would you like a different color?
That blue one's fine.
Do you need any more of these shirts?
Yes.
How many do you want?
I'll take 2 more. A red one and a white one.